Now here's my leek and potato soup, and the potatoes are done, so I can do several things with it. I can puree as it is, and it'll be nice and white, and let it chill and serve it as a vichyssoise with a little bit of cream in it. Or I can serve it country style, just pressing it with one of these forks and roughly mashing it, and that would be very country style and nice.
Good, yeah.
Or we have some watercress that's getting a little wilted.
Yeah, right.
And I think we can cook it with some watercress, and Jack's going to cut it up.
You want to cut it?
And that's going to be very nice.
Pretty fine, right?
Yeah, pretty fine. And then it'll have to cook about 3 or 4 minutes longer. I think watercress soup is delicious. So the idea is here that you really, with your leek and potato, you have a wonderful base you can do all kinds of things with.
All right, so that looks good.
Now I'm going to let that simmer away while Jacques finishes his soup. It's amazing how many soups we're getting out of this.
Well, I like to put mine through the food mill, all like this, you know. And this is the fine blade, you know.
Fine blade.
Yes. This is very handy. I love those food mills.
Yeah.
I use it a lot.
You could use the food processor for this, but with the food processor, it wouldn't take out any kind of strings, would it?
Right.
You're really better off if you have something that could have strings in it. Better off using the food mill.
Yes, the bottom. Don't forget to scrape all of that goodie here. And you know, at that point, it's good even to emulsify it a little more if you want with that type of machine. And if I were doing a vichyssoise too, then I would cool off some of this. You know, I put it in ice, and we can finish that with cream and chives, right?
Yeah.
But for the plain soup like this, I like to finish it with butter. You know, so all I put...
Because it doesn't have any fat in it at all at this point, does it?
And not at that point, so we put...
So not to worry.
Not to worry. So we finish it just with a bit of emulsion of fresh butter at the end. Now, let's pretend that this is cold. Mm-hmm. We put a bit of cream in it. Maybe we put some chives in there. Mm-hmm. You put chive in the vichyssoise, right?
Good.
So, this one would be, I would put the vichyssoise there, of course, cold and creamier because of the cream. And then the potage, really parmentier here, you know. I like to serve it plain like that with croutons. You know, those are little dice croutons that rub a little bit of butter and put them in the oven. And we do, so chervil.
Yes, chervil, yes.
Chervil is very classic there, and you serve it in pieces like this. I love it. It has a bit of an anise taste.
And a tiny tarragon taste, too. It's lovely, I think. It's delicious.
So that's great. We have 2 more soup. So
Well,
we're moving back to yours.
I'll put a little cream in. You don't have to.
Okay.
Well, I think we can, do you want to ladle that out?
Okay.
That's very nice. I think that slightly chunkiness
Yes.
is good.
Shall we put a few leaves of watercress on top?
Mm-hmm. You don't have enough salt in it now, too bad.
That's too late.
Have to go. Well, those look lovely, I think.